In this video, we're going to learn how to use the iPad to learn how to grid. On your Schoology page, you want to download these two images here. To do that, click on it. On the top right, click there, and then Save Image. If for whatever reason you don't have Save Image, take a screenshot. Just make sure this entire block of grid is in that. At this point, it should be in your photos. So head to your photos. It should be right there. Now what we want to do is we want to draw directly on this photo. And what we'll do is we'll draw this bee up here using this grid. Let me zoom in a little bit. To do this, you're going to go to the top right where it says Edit. You got a lot of choices up here, but what I want you to look for is this upper dot right here with 3 dots in it. When you click on that, you'll have an option called Markup. It gives you a bunch of tools. Pick the first one, and then make sure that this is slid all the way to the right so you have a nice solid line. The middle one is a good choice because it's a thicker line and it'll be easier for you to make marks. If you're choosing the challenge bee, you might want to do one of the smaller ones. I don't care what color you pick as long as it's easy to see. Now at this point, we're going to draw using this bottom grid, and you're going to do exactly the same thing. So what I want you to notice are things like this wing here, where it intersects this line and this line. So sometimes it's helpful to put a little dot. Maybe I get red so it's easier. A little dot where they intersect. Okay, this is halfway, this is a little to the right, halfway, a little to the right. And those dots can give you an idea of where to draw your wing. So I'm going to start here at that dot, come around, and loop down. If you make a mistake, on the bottom here, there is an arrow. You can click that, and it will take away your last mark. I don't expect you to be perfect, but I want you to be as neat as possible, noticing the shape, noticing the curves, and noticing especially where things line up on the grid. For example, there are 3 legs on this side, and those 3 legs are contained within this box. So if it helps you to maybe number the boxes or give them letters on the top and the bottom, that'd be fine. Just know that this box is over 2 and down 2. So on this grid down here, go over 2 and down 2, and then your legs will be contained within this box. Now if I did that, that wouldn't be completed, because if I notice, these legs here are like L shapes. So I'd have to actually draw in the L shape. This one touches the grid. This one goes just beyond. I'm gonna make sure I show that in here. Now I've drawn my leg a little too low here, so what I might have to do is back up and fix that. So take your time, draw the entire bee. If it helps you, you can print this out and do it by hand with a pencil, and that's fine with me too. Good luck.